So is there any investing truth that you hold which is not popular? Something that you believe that's not very popular in the investing community?
Oh, more than one, I would say. One, of course, is this thing of investing in your circle of competence. I would say that that is a euphemism for comfort zone. So especially when you're managing other people's money, how you manage your own money is your business. But if you're managing other people's money, then if you understand only 2 or 3 or 4 sectors and you invest only in those, why should your investor be held to ransom to your expertise? Because the same things, no theme lasts forever, no geography, no asset class, no sector. So if you understand only FMCG and banks, what are you going to do when it is a commodity upcycle? I mean, just to give you an example. The other thing which people do not understand properly is the concept of probabilities. There is all this talk of high conviction and all that. I think that's complete nonsense. Because they're in markets and in life, there are known unknowns, there are unknown unknowns, and the outcomes is always a range of probabilities. You look at the most successful companies which have made a lot of money, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, all these at one point came within like hours literally of bankruptcy. So it's not as if that anybody buying that always made a good decision, or somebody who refused to buy it or passed on that opportunity necessarily made a mistake. So you have to, because I mean, at that point, the probability of their going bust may have been higher than the actual path that happened. So don't get, which is something people don't understand, that the quality of the decision making is not the same as the quality of the outcome. This is another thing which people often don't understand. Another thing is that, people talk of subjective things, brand value, management quality. I believe ultimately anything that you are saying should come through in the numbers. That's what I teach people who have trained under me, that if you're saying that this company has great brand value, where does it show up? Does it show up in better market share? Does it show up in more pricing power, in margins, somewhere on the balance sheet side? And you'll be surprised at what comes out. So, that's the other thing, that subjective things also eventually have to show up in numbers.